Good morning. It's your closet quilter. Today, I had some questions about, they saw my chickens. Y'all have seen my chickens. I posted it on the Cutie Quilters page, Facebook page, and anyway, I'm working on a Lori Holt chicken salad quilt. And it's really exciting. She has great videos on how to do her chicken salad. It's on her blog, Be in My Bonnet blog. But I'll just show you really quick how I do each piece. Basically, what I'm doing here is, I can't wait to quilt this on my Cutie frame. I'm really excited. Anyway, so I have a piece here. I took the piece of fabric. It tells you, she gives you all the instructions on what size to cut and the interfacing. Her method calls for interfacing, and then you turn the piece. So what I did is I take her templates. You buy her chicken salad templates. Be in My Bonnet. She sells those, and they're on Etsy, on her channel on Etsy. They're really, really easy to use. This is one of them. I took the piece of fabric, and I put the interfacing on top, and the fabric is facing me. Okay, so then I trace it with a pen or a pencil, and I stitch on that line. And then what I'll do is I'll trim this 1/4 of an inch all the way around this piece with my applique scissors, and then I'll just cut a little X in the middle and turn this, press it, and that piece is done. And then you'll just follow the instructions on her blog and her instructions. She has a sew-along guide that's really easy to use. So you too can make the Lori Holt chicken salad quilt. It's just adorable. So cute. Her fabrics are amazing. There's nothing like it. Anyway, I hope this has been an enjoyable video for you by the Closet Quilter, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe so you can see all my other videos. You can learn about the Cutie frame by Grace Company. This is awesome, a tabletop hoop frame that you can put your sewing machine on. I happen to have a high-speed straight stitch Novell 1500S, which is now the 1500 SL by Brother, and it works great on the Cutie. And there's all kinds of fun things I use. I use the laser for pantographs, and I use the speed controller instead of the foot pedal. And I'm just having a great time with this. And I can't wait to quilt the chicken salad. Anyway, thanks for watching The Closet Quilter. Have a great day.